I thought it would be very smart to, you know, kind of cleanse myself of everything that happened in 2017. I'm just gonna be cleaning everything. Yeah, I'm looking such a mess right now, but that's okay. We have the bed. We have some baskets, you know, some art stuff, a thing, and wait, that stuff. Then we got my ukulele. I don't understand how to work this. And then we also have my desk. Yeah, nothing too fancy. And then over here we have my dresser and that, and then also my closet. Okay, so now that I'm looking like Chicken Little, I'm ready to clean my room. Oh my god, the lighting is—
Oh my god, by the way guys, this smells so good. Like, I'm not promoting anything, but like I'm not sponsored, so.
Let me just show you guys like a mini haul type thing. Okay, this is what I bought for myself. Treat yourself.
But I didn't open yet, but I should soon. And then we also see a room. So is that like the not the cutest thing ever? I'm gonna try.
I felt like I had to spend my money. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm already kind of tired. Guys, within the 3 hours that I was recording, I only picked up the trash that I recorded. Oh my god, you guys. I can't. Oh, that's like ASMR. Oops, whoops. I didn't mean to click. That's right. Oh my god, huh? What are you doing?
Crap. My freaking door. Oh my god.
And it's done. 2K18. Let's get on with the room tour. The first thing you see is the same painting. I was gonna eat those, but you have this little, you know, sanctuary. Then my Polaroid wall, this disco time. My desk is a little bit cleaner, but it's still a little bit dirty. I just kind of stuck everything down there. Look at how baby fishies. Wow, beautiful. I feel so bad because the living space is so small. I might just get like the bowl, but that's what they're living in right now. And then of course the food's in there. Blah 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 blah. So that was my room tour 2018. Welcome. I'm trying to take my mom's advice. This is so weird, like talking to a camera, like. But anyway, I'm going to make more videos on acne and stuff because I used to have really cystic acne, like trust me, like off the chains. Like I don't know if you can see, but I have acne scars. They were pretty bad. But I'm going to make more videos like that. Just like random videos. But if you have any suggestions for me, leave them down in the comment section below. That's so weird to do, like, oh. I feel so official, you know what I mean? But yeah. Hello 2018, hello YouTube. I'm Kate, aka Soup. But yeah. Peace out, Girl Scout. I need to come out with the I really need to come up with the intro.